Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading Every Day. Today is My Girl Thursday and I have a really fun one for you today. Two, it is to celebrate when my daughter used to go on field trips to the firehouse. And I thought it would be a good one because it's been very cold here. It's been snowing nonstop and we've been stuck in the house. And every now and then I hear the fire trucks going by and I always pray that they are safe in fighting the fires as they do. And I wanted to send some love to all the firefighters out there because you run into the fire and you are getting us out. You are keeping us safe, and I can see what a hard job it is, and you are extremely brave and appreciated. And I wanted to say some of the best times that I saw my daughter spend was at the fire station when they were showing her around and she was learning all about the fire department, the uniforms, the trucks, the hoses, and everything like that. And some of her classmates actually ended up becoming firemen, the class of 2020. So this is dedicated to all of you brave firefighters out there and children who embrace going to the fire station on field trips. The first book is I Love Trucks, and this book is by Philemon Sturges and it's illustrated by Shari Halpern. And I'll open it out for you. And the second book is Firefighters A to Z by Chris L. Demarest. And I'll open this one out for you. So we'll go with the first one, which is I Love Trucks. I love trucks. Trucks, trucks, trucks. I like trucks. Trailer trucks and tow trucks. Trucks that sweep the street. Trucks that crawl, trucks that roll. Trucks that mix concrete. This one digs, this one dumps. This one strings up wire. Some gobble trash, some lift up stuff. This one zooms to fires. I like trucks that blink and scream. I like trucks that roar. But the truck that I like most brings ice cream to my door. Trucks, trucks, trucks. I love trucks. And of course, other than the ice cream truck, my favorite one is the fire truck, which is what today's all about. Nice, right? Put that right there. And our second book, Firefighters A to Z. A. A is for alarm that rings loud and clear. B is for boots stowed in our bunker gear. C is for chief, whose experience we trust. D is for Dalmatian, a firehouse must. E is for engine, exiting the bay. F is for fire, we see far away. G is for go as we race at full speed. H is for hoses and hydrants we need. I is for inside, start the primary search. J is for jump if you feel the floor lurch. K is for K-tool, to open locked doors. L is for ladders that rise several floors. M is for mask into which clean air flows. N is for nozzle attached to the hose. O is for opening places fire hides. P is for pickaxe to make the holes wide. Q is for quickly, which is how fires spread. R is for ropes, hauling tools overhead. T is for teamwork, no one works alone. S is for sounding, we test for weak zones. Just want to make sure you're paying attention. Switch the S and the T. U is for up, back smoke swirls all around. V is for ventilate, let gases out. W is for water flowing higher and higher. X is for extinguish, we put out the fire. Y is for yawning, we all did our best. Z is for zip, zip into bed for a rest. The end, boys and girls, but so good we get to do it twice. And guess what? I'm going to move up close to you so that you may see the pictures so much better, right? Let's move back a little bit. Firefighters A to Z. A is for alarm that rings loud and clear. B is for boots stowed in our bunker gear. is for chief, whose experience we trust. D is for Dalmatian, a firehouse must. E is for engine, exiting the bay. F is for fire, we see far away. G is for go, as we race at fast speed, at full speed. H is for hoses and hydrants we will need. I is for inside, start the primary search. J is for jump, if you feel the floor lurch. K is for K-tool, to open locked doors. L is for ladders that rise several floors. M is for mask, into which clean air flows. N is for nozzle, attached to the hose. O is for opening places fire hides. P is for pickaxe, to make the holes wide. Q is for quickly, which is how fires spread. R is for ropes, hauling tools overhead. S is for sounding, we test for weak zones. T is for teamwork, no one works alone. V is for ventilate, let gases out. U is for up, black smoke swirls all about. I switched up the U and the V. Just want to keep you on your toes and make sure you're paying attention. W is for water flowing higher and higher. X is for extinguish, we put out the fire. Y is for yawning, we all did our best. Z is for zip, into bed for a rest. The end, boys and girls, and my favorite in this book is Y is for yawning, we all did our best. Because I can't imagine that it would be an easy job, that they're out there fighting fires, the firefighters. Whew. So brave. We all did our best, and that they do, to protect us, boys and girls, and save us. So, Z is for zip into bed for a rest. I hope that when firefighters are done fighting their fires, they're at least able to get some good rest. So, boys and girls, it is Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D. Better Off Reading Every Day. It has been my pleasure to bring this book to you and to say to you, this book was dedicated to my daughter and all of the field trips that she went to at the fire station. I just love to see them dress up in the fire gear, and the firemen would show them around, the curious little faces, and when they turned on the sirens, it never gets old. And I think it's something that should be brought back as soon as we are able to do it safely, because children need to see all of the brave work and all of that is used to fight fires and what goes into it. I think it's something that is very much needed, and I know she enjoyed it as much as I did, as well as her teachers. So here she is. I don't know if you can see it. That is her on her little trips at the fire department. Can you see her over there, right by the fire truck? Yeah, that's my girl when she was little. Something else. So, I do not own the rights to any of these books that I have read to you here today, boys and girls. But as usual, with you, I am making storytelling magic. And today wasn't a made-up story. It was more of an informational story to tell you all about firefighters from A to Z. So I hope you learned a little something, because I always want to put a little something in here, as well as a lot of something in your heart. Oh, right in here, because I love you. And, of course, a little something to make you laugh. Did I make you laugh today? I didn't? Are you sure? Well, here is somebody that always makes me laugh. And this is the fire truck from the movie Cars from Radiator Springs. Do you remember that? It's the fire truck. See the little face? And that was from the movie Cars. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. But if you didn't, you should definitely check it out, because this fire truck has got some personality. Bye, boys and girls. See you soon. Be safe.